In the left hand side, you are seeing the overview of the AWS services, Dynamic DB service, S3, the simple storage access, and the Lambda and IoT features. All these services you can consume uh, like you are in your local network by connecting with Outpost. So this is the overview of this diagram. On-premises connectivity. So the on-premises connectivity means now you are physically that when you are doing this configuration, this process, at the very beginning, what you are doing is physically connect all the cables. You're connecting your power, and then you are connecting your network cables, and then you are doing the link link aggregation. The link aggregation means link aggregation and the virtual VLAN. It means you are dividing. At the it is something like the networking at the very beginning of the network. We have discussed something like you are having a maybe 48 port switch. uh, you are dividing this 48 of switch. The first five you are signing for the accounting department, the second five you are signing for the another department. Likewise, you are assigning uh, your part, your network. You are dividing your network into several clusters or several sections. uh, Definitely, it is something like virtual VLAN. The VLAN is a concept like you are dividing a single network into several sections to avoid the unwanted network traffic. Like the same, you have to decide the logical sections. These services supposed to go for this Amazon services, the S3 services, S3 services just only for the accounting department. You are providing some different services, something like Lambda service, only for the development team. Likewise, you can you may have multiple services, and you have a logical aggregations. Then the virtual LAN we just discussed. So you are deciding what types of virtual LAN you should have uh, within this environment. Network layer connectivity means you have to give the IPs for uh, the different sections, and again you have to map the IPs with the AWS and your environment. And in here, I forgot to tell you in the virtual private network, virtual private connectivity is a theory behind the scene. It means they are your on-premises network and the Amazon your instances are in the same going to be a same network. So the BGP connectivity, that mean the it is something like the connectivity bit. It's a bridge connectivity like thing. You are going to connect it just with your AWS or you are connecting your network and the AWS network through the uh, output track. So you have to have the gateway. The gateway means what is the purpose of the gateway. When you are using the network, gateway is the gateway define your request is goes to the particular gateway. It means when you are configuring your network, you are seeing default gateway. Your default gateway usually used to be a router. In this situation, you have to provide your gateway. Then the Amazon knows what is your gateway, and Amazon instance know which gateway you have to use. On the other hand, to access the Amazon resources, you have to go through the gateway. The logical gateway. In the physically, you can see if you are using a physical device in normal network environment, we are using some routers, switches, or Wi-Fi adapters. In this situation, they know Wi-Fi access point. We are refer these things